Well, I'm up and gone at the break of dawn. I've been working like a regular dog to keep my woman and the lights and the water and the phone turned on. I've been saying yes sir all day at work. I've been saying yes ma'am at home.